Hello, today I'm in Kia Niro. In this video I'll show you how to manage coasting guide. The coasting guide is a system that tells you when you'll have to remove foot from your acceleration pedal. Firstly, take a look at the instrument cluster display and now enter user settings. Go to driving assist and coasting guide. Now you can enable or disable this function, enable sound for this function, and you can start coasting between early, normal and late. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.